At Kingdori, we redefine luxury in every bathroom with our high-end solutions. Our extensive range of products includes premium bathroom faucets, elegant shower kits, to multifunctional shower heads, all meticulously crafted to meet your unique needs. Discover the true essence of opulence and functionality with Kingdori. Established in 2013, we've built a decade-long reputation for crafting and exporting top-quality bathroom and kitchen products. With a global presence spanning over 200 countries and regions, Kingdori has garnered trust and recognition worldwide. We cater to markets across North America, Europe, Australia, and the Middle East. Our state-of-the-art facility spans 8,000 square meters and is equipped with 6 advanced production lines, 5 product testing lines, and rigorous quality control measures, ensuring top-notch products for our clients. We provide comprehensive customer support, ensuring our customers feel secure with our products backed by a 1-2-year warranty. Our team of over 80 dedicated professionals includes experienced R&D engineers and skilled sales personnel committed to delivering excellence. Kingdori, bringing luxury into your bathroom.